My name's Ryan Pearce. I'm the Regional Business Manager for Pointerra, based in Australia. And I'd like to introduce Pointerra as a powerful cloud-based solution that allows you to instantly render dynamic views of your 3D data, no matter the size. You can easily access your data in the convenience of a browser, share it securely, or clip and export portions of your whole data sets to be imported into Autodesk authorizing solutions. So if you're in the business of capturing, acquiring, or using 3D data, Pointerra is about creating a seamless workflow from scan to design in the ease of a web platform. So whether you're in design and construction, maintenance and asset management, or survey and data acquisition, Pointerra can provide an immediate workflow benefits from scan to BIM. Pointerra has recently adopted the Autodesk Recap SDK, bringing the 3D management and the power of Pointerra to more customers and users of Autodesk solutions globally. This has resulted in a more efficient workflow from scan to design via the Pointerra technology. Being able to capture using a range of 3D scanning technology and files, upload and manage in Pointerra as your common data environment for easily viewing, managing, sharing all your 3D data. And by utilising the Recap SDK, you can easily send, share or clip portions of your data and export to BIM 360 or Autodesk or any Autodesk solution. The Pointerra platform is an easy and user-friendly experience, allowing you to upload, manage, and use your data in a few easy steps. To upload and begin the Pointerra workflow, you can choose a file or folder, upload directly to the portal, and utilising the Recap SDK with an RCS or an RCP file, we can upload directly and also many other web formats via our web platform. If your data has any real-world coordinates and is geo-referenced, you can add this detail to the project and click upload and you're away. To access your data, the project dashboard and tiles allows navigation of your data sets, either using the search function with grid tiles or via the map view to see your asset data more clearly and their location where they are in the world. Once you click on the data, the visualization and the power of Pointerra's scan view takes you into an immersive real-world function, allowing you to navigate from each scan location with the option to navigate on a 2D tile. The Pointerra online tools allows measuring, geotagging, and vertical and horizontal cropping of all the data, all done in a web portal. So you can see grabbing each point, all done via the web portal, being able to measure and look at geotags. You can navigate. So when choosing to view in the point cloud mode, you can horizontally and vertical crop. You can highlight further value in the 3D data, and the ability to measure and also create cross-sectional viewing is an easy and simple user experience. So directly in the web portal, you can go directly from the RGB or the scan location straight into the point cloud. You can vertically and horizontally crop, measure within the data sets, all done in a web browser. And you can also pick points and on the 2D plan and do a cross-sectional view. For those working with infrastructure data from aerial or mobile laser scanners, the data can be viewed and instantly accessed on a much larger scale with the ease of Pointerra. Sorry, you can also look at intensity and height as well. So if you're using infrastructure data, we can do it on a mass scale, so anything in a LAS or a LAS file can be brought into Pointerra very easily in a web platform. And you can have a look at your data very, very easily, all in the web browser. Also, images taken from a mobile laser scanner can also be uploaded and accessed instantly, giving you a planned view of the data set, a point cloud, and a high-resolution image, all accessible and viewable in the Pointerra web platform. So you can go straight into the data set. The yellow line indicates whether images were taken. You can click on the relevant image straight from your mobile laser scanner. Sharing any size data set to anyone in the world is simple. Click the share button, give the recipient the relevant permissions to view or download the data, click create share link, and either email via our Pointerra email service or copy the link and paste into an email to send to multiple people, giving immediate access to the data and no more need for hard drives, server links or Dropbox files. Pointerra creates an easy and simple way to share and access important 3D data. So the adoption of the Autodesk SDK has allowed further functionality with the solution. Not only are you able to upload recap projects or recap files, along with other file formats to Pointerra, but the ability to export in recap format, no matter the size or data file uploaded. So this can be done very easily in our export function within Pointerra. So you just go to the data set, choose the area, you can horizontally or vertically crop it, find the area, and it reduces the size of the point cloud to what you want to import. So for example, if you upload or receive a LAS or an E57 file and want to use that data in Revit, but converting the data to a readable file format takes time, you only want a portion of the data set, not the whole project, you can easily clip and ship the data using the Pointerra export function. Simply choose the data set, clip the desired area you want to export, select the file format, in this case it was recap project, click download, and you'll receive a file that you can instantly import directly into Revit. So we've opened up Revit, click the import button, and you can just see that clipped area directly from our web portal straight into Revit. So the newly released Autodesk Reality Capture SDK has enabled customers to utilise reality data more efficiently. Cloud hosting and sharing of critical project information becomes seamless, with users gaining real-time access to the digital data with greater accuracy. This integration now gives greater transparency to your data lifecycle, generating material savings in workflow efficiencies that drives a minimum 5 times return investment for your customers. So to learn more, go to pointerra.com or see us after the presentation. You can sign up for a trial account or create a subscription to bring more value to your 3D data. Thank you.